So here we are. We finally have all of our walls done, and we're starting to see what the finished product looks like here. The owner's moving back in, and he still has some drapes to go, but you can see with the artwork up and the finished walls, it's looking pretty spectacular. This is the burled birch, bird's eye birch. I love how the air conditioner panels now work properly. It's easy to take these things out and put them back in. Right now we're struggling, and they're addressing the LED lights in the display case. But let me take a step back. It's absolutely beautiful, I think, with the color scheme and the existing furniture. That's all quite exquisite. I think that once it's all done, they'll decide what to do with this part that I'm shooting now, is where the draperies go, and there's probably a little valance that they'll attach that will be made of the fabric. The hardest part was just finalizing the display case, and I think that's what they're doing now, trying to resolve the new technology, and the old display case has the former LED technology. So with Lutron, it may be that we just have to change this, and that's the final one. So I guess it's ciao for now, and we'll see you on the next.